The subject of today's video is how to succeed with your affiliate marketing programs on YouTube. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. Thank you. Now, I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Now, quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sale price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser. Affiliate programs are free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. If during the application process they ask you for a credit card, stop. Don't give it to them. Do your background research first on that company before you give them your credit card. Okay, YouTube is one of the most visited sites on the internet. In fact, it's second only to Google. It's a perfect place to showcase your creativity. What you might not know is that it's also a valuable platform for increasing your affiliate profits. Affiliate marketing on YouTube is a smart way to provide extra value to your audience while earning revenue at the same time. While YouTube offers various built-in ways of monetizing your content, affiliate marketing gives you direct control over what products you promote and enables you to see more of the resulting profits. This video will discuss how affiliate marketing works on YouTube and why you might want to get involved. We'll also show you how you can get started, so let's jump right in. Now, the benefits of using YouTube for affiliate marketing. If you haven't already, the first thing you need to do, obviously, is create a free YouTube channel. It's easy, it's no pain, just go ahead and do it. And again, it doesn't cost anything to open up a YouTube channel. Then, once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. That is going to take some time, so be patient. YouTube will send you an email to join the Partner Program. So for now, just concentrate on making at least one video a week. Now, 3 videos a week would be ideal. In fact, you can use one script and do 3 videos a week with just that one script. And then use Canva to create your beginning thumbnails, different thumbnail for each video. Make sure the thumbnail is relevant to the topic that you're promoting, and also the name, each video file that you download into YouTube, you should rename it and use the headline and keywords that are in the content of what's in the video. Before downloading it to YouTube, you should do that. Now, if you do not like being on camera, there are services that you can pay to do the video for you. Do a Google search for these services. Now, Fiverr, that's Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, 2 R's, has video freelancers that can do all the work for you, both on and off camera. Now, the most important thing is to create relevant content and relevant and engaging content. Make sure that you're able to attract an audience. After all, there's not much point in promoting your affiliate links to non-existent viewers. Obviously, if your niche is weight loss, then getting an audience is not going to be a problem. However, a vital factor in any affiliate marketing campaign is making sure you provide top-notch content. The quality of your videos will encourage viewers to visit your channel and trust your advice, as in the case with your blog post. Now, getting a blog is also important to get. Therefore, you must find the right niche and produce videos relevant to the products or services you want to promote. As one example, you could devote your channel largely to review videos, other people's videos, where you discuss and rate affiliate products from other people. This will provide actual value to your viewers and help to grow your audience. Just make sure you give an honest assessment of each item and be engaging. This will help ensure viewers trust your judgment when you present them with affiliate links. Obviously, also you have to get affiliate links so you're not wasting your time. Add affiliate links to your descriptions and the videos themselves. Now, down below this video, you'll see 2 links. The first one is for 2 free ebooks, which I highly recommend for beginners in affiliate marketing. And below that is a subscribe link. And below that is where it says show more. That's all my links. And that of all the video of all the affiliate marketing products that I promote. And of course, the easiest way to include affiliate links alongside your videos is to add them to your video descriptions, which is down below. These appear underneath each video, and there is no limit to the number of links you can post within your description. Now, there is a 5,000 character limit, so you can't go beyond 5,000 characters, but that's kind of hard to do. That's a lot of characters. Using YouTube to get affiliate sales. With more than 1.8 billion, that's billion with a B, people using YouTube, do you think you can get a few people to visit your YouTube channel, watch a YouTube video, click your affiliate link, and make a purchase? I think so. By simply getting a few people to watch a few YouTube videos and then reminding them to buy things they want, you can have the lifestyle you've been dreaming about. YouTube is a powerful promotional tool because it gives you an easy way to connect with an audience and talk to them about the products and services that you love. There are different types of videos you can post on your YouTube channel to make sales. Let's go over a few of these here. This is a little bit of bonus, but affiliate marketing without a website. The first thing you can do is product or service reviews. If you purchase a product that you love or find a service that is helpful to you, you're likely to tell a few people. A normal person will say to a friend or family member, but you're not normal. You're a YouTuber now. You're going to tell everyone who will listen about your experience with a particular product or service that appeals to your target audience. Then you're going to get paid a commission when they decide they want to get the same results or experience that you got. There are a couple of ways that you can do reviews. First, you must decide to you might decide to review the product you've chosen to use and tell people about the features and why you like it. Also, be honest and tell them anything that you don't like about that product. Or you might do a review comparing different products that could be a solution and then showcase why you chose the product you selected. These types of videos can be very effective and they're not difficult to make. Share what you love about the products and any drawbacks you experience is also most important. Providing an honest and thorough review helps people go through the decision-making process. The goal is to answer all of their questions in a YouTube affiliate video, so they are ready to purchase with your affiliate links before they leave your video. Now, next type of video is a tutorial video, also known as a how-to video. For instance, how do you fix a leaky faucet? That's a tutorial video, obviously. And this channel is another way to effectively get in front of an audience of people to make affiliate sales. Tutorial videos can be long or short, but they should give all the necessary information for the project. If you give people partial information, they'll click away to another more in-depth tutorial video for help. One that looks more interesting and one that looks like they'll answer their questions. Typically, a YouTube video about affiliate marketing is about 10 minutes long. When you're creating tutorial videos, you want to show people step by step how you do things and what you use. In addition, since people see you using various products or services in the video, you can easily work in affiliate sales by linking the video description to the things you used in the video, which is all those links are just below the video. Now, there's another type of video. It's called the best of videos. The best of videos are easy to do. All you have to do is make a list of the best of whatever it is that you're promoting. Then in the videos, you talk about the pros and cons of each of the products. Go from the least good to the best of the best to make sure you keep people watching through the entire video. You can link to all the products and services you mentioned in your video description. Now, getting traffic to your videos. Even if you have the most amazing videos on the internet, you're not going to get any results if no one sees them. Getting traffic is one of the biggest challenges people come across when they're trying to make money through affiliate marketing. The good news is that many people already use YouTube, so you can get some traffic just from being on the site with well-optimized videos. These are called related videos, and we'll go over them just below here. YouTube related videos. You've likely watched more than one video on a given topic. For example, you view one video on YouTube and then you see another similar video that looks like it might be more interesting, so you click away to that video. People do this all the time, and that is why you want to show up in YouTube related videos. But first, optimize your content by adding relevant keywords in the title, description, and tag section. Tip: YouTube currently allows you to use 5,000 characters in your video's description, like we said before. So be sure to pack as much audience and SEO-friendly content in there as possible. And don't forget to include your affiliate link in the description. To get more YouTube-related videos, make sure you have interesting thumbnails that attract viewers and entice them to click once they see the thumbnail. The thumbnail is that little poster thing at the very beginning of the video that describes what's in the video. Again, I use Canva. That's C-A-N-V-A, canva.com for my thumbnails. And Canva has a YouTube video thumbnail template. Google search results. Google search results can be a very powerful source of traffic and viewers for your videos. Depending on the keyword term, YouTube videos are more or less likely to show up on the first page of Google. Tip: posting your video content on your blog is a great way to get started with video SEO and to drive targeted traffic to both your blog and your videos. So having a blog is very crucial to your affiliate marketing success. Here, for a blog, I use Bluehost and WordPress, and I'm in the middle of doing my blog, and so far Bluehost and WordPress have been very good. Before you start ranking videos or any other type of content in your Google search for the keyword term to see if any videos are currently showing up with that content on the first page of Google. If there aren't any videos showing up on the first page with that content, this might not be the best keyword to target your video SEO when it comes to Google's organic search. So keep looking for keywords in the Google search that show at least one or two videos on the first page that relate to the video that you're trying to do. However, with good keywords, you'll typically see 2 or 3 YouTube videos ranking on the first page of Google. Now, I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business, and he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Now, why get a coach? I'm going to tell you why. First, a coach is going to get you on the right track, and you'll make money a lot faster. And having the right coach will stop you from making a lot of costly errors. Now, I have a pretty high IQ. I know I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer, but I've got a high IQ of 167. And boy, I'm glad I got a coach. He saved me a lot of time and effort. Now, Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market, and no internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. Also, on the very first link below are 2 free eBooks for beginners, anyone who's just starting in affiliate marketing. These are 2 great free affiliate marketing ebooks, and they're free. Just click on the link below. Now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my affiliate marketing diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Just click on the thumbs up button below, and please click on the subscribe link, the subscribe button. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.